Hi, my name is Clara Lugnova. I'm a PhD student in two laboratories of University of Montpellier, IOES, Institut Électronique de Systèmes, and ICGM, Institut Charles Guérin Montpellier. Consequences of using fossil fuels push people to shift toward renewable energy. One of the promising options is solar energy, because it's abundant and cheap. There are two main technologies to convert solar light, PV and CSP. PV, photovoltaic, directly converts solar light into electricity, while the CSP, concentrated solar power, firstly concentrate, then transfer into heat, and the heat is used to obtain the power through a power cycle. But what if we combine these two systems together? That's what we study in our project. So in my thesis, we designed a new thermally stable photoactive material for a solar cell to use in PV-CSP hybrid systems. To understand the structure of an organic solar cell, we can imagine a sandwich with 5 components. The top and the bottom are contacts, then we have 2 charge transport layers, which keep system together, and we have the main layer, the active layer, where the transformation of a solar light is taking place. Usually, the active layer consists of 2 types of materials, donor and acceptor. So by absorbing the light, the donor is getting excited and transfer the electron to acceptor by leaving a hole. So in this system we have a donor who has a hole and an acceptor who has an electron. And then the charges are separated to pass through charge transport layers to contacts. Then we have electricity in the system. But usually, donor and acceptor are different molecules. But in our thesis, we designed one molecule that has an donor and acceptor part in one connected chemically together to reach thermal stability of a system. Powders are fabricated in chemistry lab. Let me show you. The principle is similar to cooking. You have your desired molecule and you try different ingredients, proportions, techniques to make your perfect material and to make sure that everything works well together. The molecule is big and it can be imagined as a Lego, where we take it apart into little pieces to build it into the laboratory. The building consists of a number of steps. So for example, one of the steps, I take a molecule A and B and mix them together in a specific condition to obtain my perfect molecule. And then the molecule in a powder form is solubilized in solvent and deposed as a thin film to use as an active material in a solar cell.